Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to solve a very important and coding interview problem, that is group anagrams. So this question is very popular in coding rounds and mainly in lead code and product based company interviews also. So make sure you watch till the end. So in this video we will cover what is anagram. So actually I have told what is anagram in the previous video. So watch that and come here. So it will be much easier for you to understand what is group anagram. So and next we'll see the example approach and pseudocode and time complexity also. And definitely I'll tell the interview tips also and how to approach this problem also. So before we start, if you like coding and placement content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support the journey also. So here is our problem statement, which means given an array of string, group the anagrams together. So which means they have give the strings, so which a group of strings, and we have to group all the anagrams together. So two strings are called anagrams. So and they have to contain the same characters and same frequency, but they can be in any order. So that is not a matter. So we need to return the group result. So let's see the example so that you will understand easily. So here is an example. So they give a input. So which means they give a input as a eat, t, tan, 8, nat and bat. So they give a group of strings and we have to split the strings into a group. So in output we get E, T and A. So in these three strings we have a same characters, right? So if we saw the characters of the anagram, they become identical. So here E, T and A. So if you saw these three, it become identical and it's all the same string. So let's group that string in a one group and remaining as like this we do for the all the string also. So all of them share the same sorting form. So we can use this sorted string as a key to group them. So let's see the approach. So here is our approach. At first create a hash map and key will store in the sorted string and value will be stored list of anagrams. And in our step 2, for each word, convert the character array and sort it, make it as a string and put inside the map also. So in step 3, and return all values of the map. So if two words have the same sorted string, they belong to the same group. So we simply collect them together using a hash map. So here is our pseudocode. So as I have said before in approach, create a map and in a loop. So now for each word, sort the word and store the key equal to stored word. And if key is not in a map, create a new list and add words to the list and return all map values. So let's code it so that you will easily understand. So let's create a class here. Let's give group anagram. So it is group anagram. So as like previous problem, which is our anagram problem, we have used a function, boolean function and a main function inside a public class. So here also we are going to do the same. So let's first create our main class. So public static void main. So inside scanner is equal to new scanner inside system.n. So we are going to get a multiple string. So we just take in a array. Okay. So string str equal to new string of, so let's take a 5 value. Okay. So let's give it as here n. So let's get the input for the string. So for int I equal to 0, I greater than n, and I plus plus. So inside str of I equal to se dot next. So let's pass this string to our another function. So in that sopln, so at first let's create a function here. So which means so public static. So we are going to return as a list, right? Which means we are going to return the output as a 2D array, right? So 2D list. So for that, so list inside we are going to create another one list. So we are going to return a 2D array. So and we are going to return as a string. So that's why so public static and our return type, and after that let's give a uh, pure OUP group let's give a group anagram. So inside we are getting a getting an input as a string array. So str. So let's pass this function name here. So group anagram of str. So let's write our function here. So inside the group anagram function, we have to first declare our map. So map, we are going to store the string and a list of string inside the map. So string, comma, and list of string. And our variable map equal to new hash map. So in a for each loop, so string, let's give a word, and we are passing the string value. And inside that we are creating a our character array. So we are splitting each and every word into a character, right? So array equal to word dot to char of array to char array, and we are going to sort the array. So array sort of array. So and after we are initializing and string key equal to new string array, and in if condition we are checking if map dot contains of key. So why this means? So in this if condition, so we are going to return a 2D array, right? So in that our first array contains a group of string. So which is a identical string. So in each and everything we are going to store here. So after the if condition, so map dot get of key and dot add of word. And now we are going to return the array list. So return new array list. So inside here map dot values. So why it's showing error means you have to reduce one. Yeah, now it's all right. So let's run this. So let's give our input. So let's get it. No, first we have to give the our length. So let's give a 6. So and our string. So eat and t tan 8 nat and bat. So as we expected, as I told in the example, we have got so eat t and 8 or so if you saw these three strings, it will be identical. So it became a one group. And another the bat. So the bat has only one. So it does not match with any other string. So it's become a one group. And another nat and a tan. So if you saw these two strings, it will be identical. So it became a one string. So this is how we have to do this. Do the group anagram. So if interviewer asks for optimization, you can use character frequency count instead of sorting to get big of n k times. So that's it for today's problem. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video and subscribe with your friends and share it with your friends and subscribe for more coding and placement content. So see you next video. Happy coding.